Official radio of the University of Winchester. Official radio of the University of
Okie dokie
Winchester.
then. It is Innuendo bingo time. Are you ready, guys?
No. Yes.
Yes, I'm sure you'll be ready. It's fine. You'll live.
We should just get a bit closer.
We have got some clips here that I'll be playing to you guys, and all you have to do is try and not laugh, or at least actually do try and laugh, just to spit water in each other's faces. That's the idea. So, is that the door?
I don't know.
No. Okay. So, are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to take some water, please?
Yeah. Okay.
Just put that round.
Oh,
Beside it.
it's okay. We'll be
Okay. So, first off, there was a news story in America recently. You've already gone. Is that? Yeah, have you got actually any in your mouth? Drink up. Come on, drink more. There was a news story in America recently, and this was the headline.
Elementary school boy and the 2-inch object that got...
You can't just spit it down into the bin. You've got to spit it at other people. Come on, guys. It's gonna be fun. It's fine.
No.
It's fine.
Not that Burma water.
Back in.
It's so bad.
Right.
That was great.
Fill up.
That was good. Where'd you find that?
And the dark places of the internet. Right. Come on. Fill up. Get ready for the next
It's
one.
been on 4chan, sorry.
Next one is. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next one. Just some pastry work on Bake Off.
Still, just use your fingers and then begin to roll out.
It's looking beautifully stiff.
There's a little bit of a spit. You guys are awful at this. You're awful.
I'm sorry.
You're awful. Right, you've got to really fill your mouth up.
I thought Mary Berry was going to make me go crazy, but... She didn't do it for me that time. Okay.
Okay, really fill your cheeks up with it,
Yes.
okay?
I'm going to need to refill.
I feel bad for
Try and get each other wet at least a little bit. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Okay, right. Next up, we're talking football now, and there's a certain player that plays for for Marseille, and you're right there. There's a certain player that plays for.
my nose.
There's a certain player that plays for Marseille. His name is Fanny.
Okay.
See, I knew about him. I was prepared for that one.
His name is Fanny. Full name is Rod Fanny.
He's a right back.
So anyway,
Knowledge.
so Phil Cheeks, and there was a couple of years ago he was playing against Arsenal.
Away from goal, out of the penalty area, Valbuena rather optimistically trying to find Fanny.
No.
First casualty. There it goes.
Why did I wear such a light coloured top? Stop.
Okay.
I'm going to drench you.
Oh, this is so worth it. Next one. Load up. Next one. This is on this morning in Holly Willoughby, trying some of Gino D'Acampo's pasta.
Shut your eyes and do it. This is lovely. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Go.
See, it's all right when you...
Well, still, I love it.
Oh no. Oh, I can see.
First casualty.
I can see my spit on your face. Oh no.
I'm not living with you next year. It's not worth it.
No, I'm so sorry.
I've used to pour my water.
Load up, guys.
Hang on, we need to refill the water situation.
If you're listening and you're enjoying this, just tweet us at Sound Radio Winch. Let us know if you're listening.
Please don't.
Oh no, you did.
Wait.
This will be on YouTube later. I guarantee it.
No.
Not if I can help it. Well, I'd better run out of storage first.
Right.
Okay.
So next one.
I'm filling up.
Cookery program's always the best for innuendos and whatnot, and MasterChef is no exception.
Come on. Yeah. things to claim there.
Definitely.
All over the back. They can't control them. They
No.
can't. It's gone.
Just got like reverse back ties.
For those of you listening, basically, as Ron bent over to spit into the bin, Ryan just put it all over his back.
Oh,
So
that was wonderful.
Can we choose better words, please?
I like how I put my headphone wires down my back so it's safe.
yeah, that didn't go out too well.
Nothing's safe.
Next up, we're talking Radio Nottingham, and they were having a debate about what happens if there's an intruder in your house.
That 1 in 5 men are happy to send their wives downstairs when they can hear a strange noise. Now let me just tell you, this happens in my house. I'm the one that has to go down.
They're holding well. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's good. Not quite that one. Cookery program again now, and no introduction needed.
Oh, it's quite thick.
What's that like? That's horrible, isn't it?
It's just quite bitter.
Quite bitter.
You took a load in your mouth.
You guys are awful at this. You're not even aiming at each other. It's just...
Because he has too much guilt.
I do. They've just been like little farts. Okay.
Right. I think it's the last one now.
Oh no.
It's the last one.
Oh, this one's gonna be a bad one, isn't it?
And again, cookery program, and it's our favourite ever TV chef, Nigella Lawson. Talking about one of her raspberry cakes.
Some of that purple red juice seeps into the cream.
Oh, that's it. That's Innuendo Bingo. That's it.
Official radio of the University of Winchester. Official radio of the